In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an oil line on your RX350 Lexus. Remove the clips around the plastic. To do this, push in on the tabs. And then pull the cover off. Remove the engine cover. Pull straight up. Remove the 10mm bolts off of the side cover. One. That's number 2. Remove the plastic cover. Remove the 10mm bolt for the oil line bracket. Remove that bolt. Using a 17mm socket, remove the bottom union bolt. Make sure you have a catch can under you, because this will leak oil. Remove the union bolt. Remove the top union bolt. Pull the line out. On the end of that union bolt, there should be a little screen. Be sure to dig this out if it did not come off with the top union bolt. And we're going to clean this with a little bit of brake parts cleaner. Clean all of the shavings, metal, or debris that's caught in it. This is the screen. You're going to take a little bit of parts cleaner and just spray towards the outside and the inside, just getting anything out of that screen that might be in there. Then it's good to go. Install a washer onto the union bolt. Install the union bolt into the line. We're going to put one more washer on the back. And before we install this bolt, we're going to be sure to put the screen on. Install the union bolt. We're going to leave this just finger tight so it can still kind of pivot while we put on the lower bolt. Install the dual washer onto the bottom part of the line, and then install the union bolt through the line and thread it in. Torque the union bolt to 48 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench in here, do the best you can. Install the 10mm bolt for the oil line bracket. And then we'll snug it down. Torque the top union bolt to 48 foot-pounds. Install the plastic cover. And then we'll install our 10mm bolts. Install the other 10mm bolt. Snug down the 10mm bolts. Install the engine cover. Push it down onto its dowels. Install the side plastic. Put the clips in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.